Whether one should go to the toilet after using a vaginal suppository is being investigated by people who use vaginal suppositories for various reasons. Vaginal suppositories are solid medications that are inserted into the vagina with special applicators. How many hours after vaginal suppository should I go to the toilet? There is nothing that could prevent you from going to the toilet after using a vaginal suppository. Suppository is a solid medicine that is inserted into the vagina. The need to go to the toilet is fulfilled through the urinary canal located under the clitoris. Therefore, the answer to the question of how many hours after taking a vaginal suppository to go to the toilet can be answered that you do not need to wait. Itching after using vaginal suppositories. Itching after using vaginal suppositories is among the most common side effects. However, the itching will disappear after a certain period of time. Vaginal suppository may also cause side effects such as dryness and redness at the opening of the vagina. Vaginal suppository return. It is completely normal for the vaginal suppository to come back. After a certain period of time, the medicine placed with the suppository will begin to melt with body temperature, causing it to come back in the form of white and cream-colored discharge approximately half an hour after use. There is no reason to worry about such currents. How many days after using vaginal suppository should I have intercourse? The question of how many days after using a vaginal suppository to have intercourse is one of the most frequently asked questions by women using suppositories. Suppository use is an application that should be carried out under the supervision of a doctor. In the meantime, it is important to act in accordance with the use of suppositories. After completing the use of the suppository, if everything looks okay in the control, sexual intercourse can be experienced. How to insert vaginal suppository. The most accurate answer to the question of how to insert a vaginal suppository is written in the package insert included in the suppository products used as a medicine. How long does it take for the vaginal suppository to melt? The answer to the question how long does it take for the vaginal suppository to melt can be answered that it generally takes between 30 and 45 minutes. This period may vary depending on the body and the medicine in the suppository.